Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Macy's Beauty Box for the month of October. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Guys, before I get into my unboxing today, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. So welcome. My name is Aisha. I do all things makeup related on this channel. I do tons of makeup subscription unboxings. I love unboxing and getting like new makeup and trying out new stuff. So that's like a little obsession of mine, which is why I also love makeup mystery unboxings. I do lots of that on my channel because I love trying out new stuff from brands. And I do lots of makeup hauls. Anything makeup related you'll find on this channel. So if you love makeup as much as I do, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, so we're gonna get into this box. So when you open the box up, it literally opens up all the way like so. So I can't really do a sneak peek because it's not really like the box literally comes out like that. They give you like a card that shows you all the stuff you get, like so. This one, it says $5 off your next beauty purchase in Macy's when you spend $20. And this is everything that I got in my bag. Can you guys see? Hold on. There you go. Alrighty, so let's dig in. It's always in pink tissue paper, which I love. Ooh, a lot of goodies. Now, for starters, I love that this box is only $15. $15. Yes, you heard it right. You heard it first over here. $15. Amazing, amazing. And I always love everything in this box. One other thing I love about this box too is they always give you perfume samples. One same brand, but it'll be like a male and a female. So like if you have a boyfriend, a dad, or uncle, you can get a fragrance for them as well and for yourself. So let's start off. The first thing I see here is something that I definitely can't use, but I will keep it for my kit for when I do my freelance work. I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in taupe. Can you guys see that? It says taupe. Yeah. Which is like, taupe is good for blonde people, but as you can see, I'm not blonde. My hair is black. But when I do my gigs, my side gigs, this will be perfect for that. So I will hold on for this. Didn't work for me, but that's the cool thing about like me. Like I still do freelance work from time to time. So I can always use this in things that I don't use for myself, or I can use them in giveaways. Alrighty, the next thing, what is this? I got a Kiehl's Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Micro Dose Serum. I did not know they had a retinol dose serum, so that's kind of good. Can you guys see that over here? Sometimes the white doesn't show up on camera like because of the bright lights, but very excited for that. I do use retinol because I feel like that makes my skin feel super soft in the mornings, so I would actually use that. I also got a Master Patch Original Fit Blemish Cover. Like those little, this is like in now. Like they have like Mighty Patch and all those brands where they have like the little patches. If you have a blemish, you just put it on there. And the next day it's supposed to reduce your blemish tremendously. So this looks like it has 3 different sizes in here. A small, medium, large, depending on how bad your breakout is. But I definitely will use that. So far I'm not mad at anything I got. The next thing I got is a I forgot how you say this, 3 Aina Is that how you say that, guys? Is this a, it says the 24 pen eyeliner. So I'm guessing this is a it says pen eyeliner, so this must be liquid. Yes, it is liquid. Looking at the picture, it's a liquid. I'm not gonna open it up because I literally have like 10 liquid liners open all at once right now. I do not need 11 liquid liners open. I gotta use those up, and then I will use this. So you can never have too much liquid liner. This is saying it wouldn't be a beauty subscription box if you didn't get a liquid liner or mascara. So that's why I have tons of mascaras. Those are or liquid liners. I never need to buy that for a lifetime again because like in one of the subscription boxes, you know you're gonna get a liquid liner or mascara or eye pencil. So I got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I love this mascara. This is like, I think out of all the Tarte mascaras, this one is my favorite. I mean, but all the I didn't like the Big Ego one, the pink one with the thick wand. I tend not to like mascaras with thick wands. This one is really good. It volumizes your lashes. It separates them. It does everything all over. Like, I love this mascara. The next thing I got, it looks like this is one of these little face massager thingamabobs. So I got a pink one, which I ain't mad at. It's pink. It looks like the shape of a heart. And let's see, does this have rose quartz or it's just like a regular? Okay, that's weird. So I guess I was supposed to get a Dr. Perricone product, but they gave that to me instead, which I'm not mad at because you guys know how I feel about getting too much skincare. But as you can see, this is what I was supposed to get, and that massager is not in this booklet, on this booklet. So I will take this over the Dr. I was supposed to get, it says like a Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum, which I don't need firming and lifting right now. So I'm fine with not getting that item. Oh, is this it though? Actually, I did get it. It was inside here, but that's weird because I don't see the face. Oh, it's on the front. It's on the front. I knew that. This probably will go in a giveaway because I do not need firming and lifting right now. So as I was saying to you guys, they always give you a men's and a woman's perfume and cologne from, actually this time around, normally it's just from the same brand. Last month I got the Carolina Herrera Men and Women, but this time they gave me Calvin Klein and Marc Jacob. So this one is Daisy, which I have this fragrance I love. For the most part, I love all of Marc Jacobs fragrances for the most part because they're like citrusy, florally. So I'm all about that. So I'm gonna spray it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It smells fruity. It smells citrusy. It smells like flowers, everything that I love. So this is a, put a little bit by my ears. I love this. It says, Daisy is a sparkling floral bouquet capturing the vintage edge of the violet. Very nice, very nice. So that's the fragrance they gave us. Then they gave us a men's fragrance by Calvin Klein Defy. Let's see what it smells like. I'll spray it on this card because I don't want to smell like a guy, but let's see. Oh, wow. This smells nice. This smells... All the men's colognes that they give smell amazing. Sorry, this thing just dropped. Had to catch it with my lap. All their men's colognes smell amazing. Wow. This smells great, guys. If you guys want a nice men's cologne, let me see. I'm not good at explaining how a scent smells, but it says that this is a daring contrast of freshness and powerful woods. It says it has bergamot combined with rugged vetiver and sensual notes of amber. This fragrance that defies expectations. So it's funny, like, for me, as a female scent, I don't like any type of woody, sandalwood, amber. I don't like any of those type of scents in like a perfume for me. But for a guy, smells great. Because there's a lot of female perfumes that have like woody and amber. And it's fine if you like it. I'm just saying, for my personal opinion, I like very girly, like flowery flowers and citrus and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, that's really about it. So I got the 2 perfume and cologne. I got a mascara. I got a face massager for moisturizers. I got a liquid liner. I got a firming serum. I got a patch for blemishes. And I got an Anastasia brow pencil. And I got a Kiehl's Retinol. What is this? Daily microdose serum. I never complain about this box. It's always a balance. Like, you get everything. You get a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup. Like, it's always fragrances. It's always a happy balance. It's never all skincare. It's like a happy balance. And these are all things that you could find in Macy's. So they're 9 times out of 10, they're not indie. Most indie stuff are not. I don't think what indie stuff is in like Macy's. I don't think indie stuff is in Macy's. If I'm wrong, I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments down below. But for the most part, everything is a name brand because it is in the Macy's department store. So it's cool because these are things that they're easily, readily to buy. You can go stop at your local Macy's and pick them up. I loved everything for the most part. The only thing I don't think I would use is this serum. And although, like I said, the brow pencil I can't use, but I'm not going to buy like a taupey pencil for myself. So like, I'm glad when I get these things because I could use them in my kit. So I definitely will use this. And that's really about it, guys. That's the ending of my video. What did you guys think about the Macy's box for the month of October? Give me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what you guys think about my box this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you loved my video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And I was doing a little shopping. I was being a little bad, as always. I got like the Sephora favorites sets. I got all these sets over here. Ooh, this one is heavy. I got all these Sephora favorite sets that I'm going to be filming on my channel. I don't know if you guys want me to film them all in one video. Like, this one says Sephora favorites swipe of lip color. This one says Sephora favorites sparkly clean. Like, do you guys want me to do them separately or do the video all in one? This one is heavy. This is like a hair one. And it was only $38. Like, the sets are cheap. Like, you definitely get your bang. This is a $105 value. Like, this, I cannot wait to unbox this. So I got all these stuff. They gave me my birthday gift. My birthday was in September, but when I went to Sephora, they didn't have any gifts available. I went back and they had this, so I got that. I'll show you guys all that when I do my unboxing. So that's really about it, guys. That's the ending of my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Show your girl some love. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.